Hayden told me to take off my clothes.
And what did you do?
I laughed.
Why did you laugh, Valerie?
Because Randy and Roscoe were laughing. Someone must have told a joke.
Did you take your clothes off?
Yes? And then Randy laid down on top of me and started bouncing. And then Hayden and Roscoe, they did it too.
Did they do anything else?
They gave me a bottle of cream soda.
Did you drink it?
Yeah.
Did they do anything else?
They put it inside me too.
Did they laugh about that too?
Yes.
Before they left, did they say anything to you?
They told me I shouldn't say anything to anybody. Sorry.